Hi, this is Sanjay Bhargav, and I'm recording this relatively short video, mainly for the people who join the brainstorming group on WhatsApp for the investment advisor service that Bharosa Club is planning to launch. However, anyone else who sees this video might get some value from that. So the topic of this video is what do you need to get ready for advice from any investment advisor who's good. So let's get started with that. I'll just share my screen and then we'll get into the presentation. Okay, so what we're going to talk about is getting ready to receive advice. And of course, well begun is half done. So this step is very essential, and it is a rather tough step. It's not easy to complete this step, but it is vital if you want to really know what your assets are currently, how are they performing, what do you want to do in the future. So this is a step that cannot be neglected. So let's see how this will be done. So the first and most important thing is that you will need to complete your setup on Bharosa Club. The value of doing the setup on Bharosa Club is that Bharosa Club manages to not only get your data into a form that can be analyzed and gives very useful insights. So it makes my job as the investment advisor much easier, right? So currently, Bharosa Club only does this for mutual funds. So if you or your family members do not use mutual funds, you can skip this step. This will also help define the family unit which will receive advice. So each member of the family unit and the head of the family unit will need to be analyzed separately, and the person, the head of the family unit, will essentially get the advice from the investment advisor. Now, we do not know when the investment advisory service will launch, but Bharosa Club, prior to the launch, will build tools for me, your investment advisor, to capture your entire portfolio on Bharosa Club, including stocks, PMS, AIF, insurance, real estate, bank accounts, credit, debit cards, etc. So this will be automated, or your IA will put this in manually based on the statements that you send. So this is going to be fairly easy for you, not all that easy, but because you'll have to get all the statements, you'll have to give all the details and stuff, but it will be a lot of work for the investment advisor. So, and before the advice can start, you will have to approve that the data set on which the advice is based is correct, right? So right there and then, without even the advice starting, you will get hopefully a lot of value from the investment advisory service, because very often people do not know what assets they have and what have their assets done for them in the past. How have the assets performed? Okay, so this will be a fairly important and time-consuming step. The other thing that you can do on Bharosa once you sign up on Bharosa Club is use the investing playground to set your target holding power. So using the investing playground on Bharosa along with your investment advisor will give the investment advisor a good understanding of your risk profile and the target holding power mix that you want to get to. Right? How much do you want in emergency money? How much do you want in 1 to 3 year money? How much do you want in 3 to 7 year money? And how much do you want in 7 year plus money? Right? Now, in say for the 7 year plus money, it could be in real estate, it could be in stocks or whatever, where the holding periods tend to be much longer to give you a good return. Right? So you can play around with this investment playground by yourself, and till the investment advisor product is launched. But once it's launched and you do sign the agreements and you pay up, then along with your investment advisor, we will play around with this investing playground to determine your target holding power. Okay. So that's all that I had in this particular video. And I will have a few more videos which will give you an idea of what happens after this particular step is complete. Thank you very much for listening to me.